यूज करते थे पॉन्ड के पानी में, अब क्या हो गया? यस टेल मी। दैट गेट हाईली अफेक्टेड बाय ऑर्गेनिक मैटर, और अब पानी पियोगे you will get affected by cholera and different kind of problems. Yes, then therefore this water should be especially in the rural areas, and in the rural areas when the flood comes, then the water, abhi dekh rahe ho what is the situation in the Bihar. The next situation in Bihar is very worse. The government job has been increased a lot. The whole Bihar, especially North Bihar, and I said that completely affected by this flood. Then what is it? Recently we have seen in the Assam. इससे क्या होगा? जितने भी ponds है, they have this water, and then after when the flood will go, again then they started using this water. Yes, some well will be there, open well. In this open well, the water will go. There will be highly organic substances when they started taking this water. They will be having an excess of organic matter, and they will have a problem of epidemics will come in. Yes, तो चारों तरफ epidemics के chances रहेंगे. Some animals started dying in large amount. So excess organic matter. Next point, use of insecticide, pesticide and fertilizer. Use of insecticides, pesticides, fertilizer, etc. First, what they are doing? If the fertilizer has nitrogen and phosphorus, they are causing nearby river में आप लोगों को बताया था eutrophication. What they will do? Eutrophication. Yes. क्योंकि this nitrogen and phosphorus in the nutrient cycle I have discussed with you, and when it will go, what it will cause? Complete, I said that algae growth. Algae will be decreasing the oxygen from the water, dissolved oxygen, and BDO has been increased, and therefore I said that all the aquatic systems started dying. Another problem it will also exist. I said that in the form of, I said that this other chemicals. So it is causing inorganic pollutants nearby. So other chemicals in organic pollutant is causing, yes, tell me which are the problems? Surface water contamination, and underground water contamination. तो ये सारे chemicals soil से क्या हो जाएंगे? They will go, two things will happen when it is coming into the agriculture area we are putting, it will go to the nearby catchment area, and it will also go downward and contaminate underground water. Understood? These insecticide, pesticides, and then fertilizer, they are also, what is so what the eutrophication they are doing, another what the problem they are doing? Surface water contamination and groundwater, and then most dangerous is both. हम लोग आज के डेट में highly depending on the what? Ground water. Surface water तो हमारे को कहीं ना कहीं से क्या मिल जा रहा है? Yes, we are able to get it after the treatment. Lekin ground water treatment is not there. The every village area, everyone it is, and I said that if you will come into the, I said that western UP, where the Yamuna river is crossing, and then Ganga river is Yamuna, and which one I said that? Ganga. What is happening? Large amount of sugar industry. और यहाँ पे क्या देख रहे हैं आप? लेकिन इसके बारे में नहीं कर रहे हैं हम. शुगर इंडस्ट्री, एक इंडस्ट्री का केस में हम लोग शुगर इंडस्ट्री भी ले सकते हैं. जो इंडस्ट्री वाला लिखा था वहां पे आप लोग लिख लोगे. वेस्टर्न यूपी हैज व्हाट इज देयर? वेस्टर्न यूपी, Yamuna and Ganga, वहाँ पर क्या है? Just nearby this Delhi, if we'll talk about large amount of sugar based industry and other industries. उससे क्या हो रहा है? Because of this underground water contaminated. Underground water, what happened? Yes, contaminated. Underground water with heavy metals. कुछ होना चाहिए, जैसे suppose magnesium should be in some amount. Yes, some amount this element should be there, but contaminated means high concentration of minerals. Puri western UP is highly affected by this. Western UP is highly affected by this, and then there is no way, because every urban areas and rural areas, especially urban areas, if I am talking about, water supply to the limited areas where there is some government settlement is there, some government colonies are there where you can be able to get rest. It is what private colonies are there. In those private colonies only we have what underground water resource, and they have getting the problem like this different kind of it. The diseases are, so it is in a highly contaminated western UP. आप इस case studies को जाकर कहीं भी पढ़ सकते हैं. I said that it is in a concentration of heavy minerals from the release from the industry. वहाँ पे पानी जाके देखोगे तो पानी, पहले पानी आता था ना एग्रीकल्चर में, that is good. अब देखने में लगता है it is water, I am going to give it to the agriculture, and वहाँ से इसी से they are producing crops. You can think of in the crops which kind of chemicals, and हम लोग wasting our body. So I said that insecticide, pesticide, they are causing, I said that one, it is in eutrophication, another I said that surface water and underground water. And underground water contamination is the most dangerous, because in our India highly dependent on what I said, that underground water, and you can't treat it better way. आप पहले उस पानी को निकालो, treat करो, then what is in us, send it. In Delhi it has been said that do not use, I said, not nearby Yamuna, away from the Yamuna, water table यहाँ पर कितना होगा? मेरे ख्याल से it will be, I said that 200 feet in this part of Delhi, this side. और यहाँ पे there are a problem of, I said that arsenic. Delhi में ये बोला जा चुका है कि do not use underground water, do not use underground water. Understood? Next is food processing waste. फूड प्रोसेसिंग वेस्ट कैसा देगा हमें? इनऑर्गेनिक और ऑर्गेनिक. फूड प्रोसेस करके हम लोग जब निकालेंगे, मोस्टली इट इज एन ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट, यस और नॉट? सो फूड प्रोसेसिंग वेस्ट, और पीने के बाद ऐसा पानी हम लोग बोलते हैं कि हम लोग क्यों बीमार पड़ जाते हैं. व्हाई डू द पीपल इन द रूरल एरियाज लिविंग ऑन द रिवर साइड, रिवर साइड में वहीं पर लोग पोटी भी करने जाते हैं और वहाँ पे धो के जाते हैं ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट, और कुछ लोग उसी को आगे में पीते भी हैं, देन उसके बाद हॉस्पिटल. सो आई सेड दैट फूड this food processing waste is giving us what? Organic pollutant. In high amount, in organic थोड़ा सा रहेगा, and that causing what is in a different kind of diseases, especially I say cholera. Understood? Several macro pollutants. Next point अभी हम लोग कर ही चुके हैं. Several macro pollutants from industry and urban areas. Several macro pollutants from industry and urban areas. Clear? I said that, तो आप कर चुके हैं macro pollutant coming from the industries like slag. I have seen that is a macro pollutant, large amount of pollutant with big particles and all. from the industry, and urban areas say we are giving large amount of what is in a solid waste. Understood it? हाँ हाँ, वो एयर में चला जाता है, पानी में आता है तो टाइम लगता है, लेकिन डायरेक्ट इट इज. Leakage of petroleum and related hydrocarbons. Related of petroleum, leakage of petroleum and other related hydrocarbons. ये कहाँ पे हो रहा है? Marine. Yes. Water resource. So that is in a marine water when the leakage of petroleum. कैसे हो रहा है? At oil field sites. कहाँ पे हो रहा है लीकेज? At oil field sites. It is also happening through the pipeline leakage. Another leakage is happening through the transportation, waterway transportation. Yes, waterway transportation.